what day is it?
Race day!
So last time we was at the track, what kind of problems did you have?
Some problems.
Sun problems. Couldn't see, could you? So we got a clear visor, and we tried to order a visor, and it's on back order. Can't get them. Not yet anyway. It's on order. So it's, what day is it?
Race day!
And we're running in the evening, and the sun is going to be a problem again, right? Yeah. All right. So we got on Amazon, and we got us some tint. Got some blue tint.
Wow.
Yeah. So with the blue tint, we're going to put it on Evan's visor.